I'm joined by Gina Badescu, the wonderful esthetician who takes care of my skin at Mario Badescu. She's with me today to help answer your questions about skincare. And our first caller is Barbara Wieland from Sarasota, Florida. Hi, Barbara.
Hi, Martha.
Well, how can we help you today?
Well, I was wondering, your skin always looks so wonderful. Would you share what Mario does for your skin and what your daily skincare routine is?
Okay, well, daily, I'll start with that first because I don't get to go to Mario Badescu every day, although I would love to. Daily, I start with the nighttime because that's really when I do my big cleaning. I use a cleanser from Mario Badescu and the gel, the cleansing gel. It's green. What's that one called? The green
cleansing gel.
Cleansing gel, okay. And I use a cotton washcloth and I cleanse my whole face very well. And then I just do my regular Mario Badescu stuff. First I use something called Corrective Complex Emulsion, this stuff. And it's wonderful. Underneath my moisture cream, which I use, it's called Revitallin Night Cream. And I use this actually in the night and I use it in the day. And then sometimes I use other things just when I look at my skin. And oftentimes in the morning, I get up really, really early, like about 5 o'clock. And I just go into my bathroom, put the warm water on, and then I just use a warm cloth on my face, and I put on one of Gina's beautiful masks, really one of the Badescu masks. And I'll use the Azoline mask, or I'll use the Enzyme Revitalizing mask, or I'll use the Calma mask, just depending on what I think my face needs. And then I'll go back to sleep. I'll just go lie down. I'll read for a while with the mask on. So I don't use the same one every day, or I don't do it every single day. When I have a little time, I'll do that. And it's very fun, especially on the weekends. It's fun to sort of treat yourself to this kind of thing. And then I'll just put my complex emulsion on, and I'll put my Revitallin night cream on again during the day. I mean, that's what I do for me. And then as often as I can go, and that's usually about once every 3 weeks, sometimes once every 4 weeks, I go to Gina at Mario Badescu, and she takes care of my skin. And we brought her here today so she could just explain to you what she does in terms of facials. So Gina, why don't you explain what you do when I lie down on the chair?
First step, we are using cleansing milk to take off the makeup. Then with an aloe lotion, which has not at all alcohol, I fix the pH of the skin. After cleaning the skin, we do a light massage on the face, neck,
she has
and
the
chest.
nicest massage.
The massage will activate the blood circulation, soften the skin, make the skin, ready for steam. After the massage, you will have 10 minutes steam, and mid-time I cover your eyes to protect from the steam. So after 10 minutes steam, I do a deep pore cleansing. Usually you have very little around the nose. Now you have a beautiful skin because you are taken care of. And then I'm using the disinfection lotion, which is very important to make sure the skin is safe after cleaning. If there is any pimple, we can use the antiseptic, which is the drying lotion.
That drying lotion is great, by the way, because I can't have pimples on the television.
Yeah,
so that night is so good. If you feel yourself getting a little blemish, oh boy, does that help?
Absolutely wonderful product. And then if the nose gets a little red, I'm using the control cream around the nose because it's a calming, wonderful cream. And now I am applying the first mask, the Azoline mask, which is a calming, soothing mask on the face. It's an excellent mask. Around the eyes and the neck, I'm using nighttime cream with vitamin E, because this area has no oily glands. They are always exposed and get dry very easily. The vitamin E will penetrate in the skin very easily and will help.
She's looking at my skin,
soften.
And she's examining me as we speak. Uh-oh, I'm ready for another facial.
This cream, always around the eyes and neck, I cover with hot paraffin.
I love that. Yes. It feels so good. She sort of just softens this paraffin mask, and it's so nice.
Yeah, this helps absorption in the skin and will make the skin smooth like a silk. This is on for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I remove everything with chamomile tea, clean the skin, and then it's following the second part, which is a nourishing treatment. I'm using European hydrating treatments. I apply on the face this keratoplast, usually you like very much.
Oh, I love the smell
It's
too.
calming, soothing, and the skin absorbs 100%.
And that comes in a little glass vial that she snaps open. And it's really nice on the skin.
Yeah. And I cover this with a ginkgo mask, which is wonderful. It's coming wrapped individually, not to get sunlight to be destroyed, effectiveness of the mask.
So that's all sealed and very sterile.
Yes.
Oh, I never.
Yes.
See, because my eyes are closed, I never even get to see this stuff in the salon. Oh, this is very interesting. So it's like a piece of paper almost.
No, it's a high concentration of collagen with ginkgo plant extract. It's wonderful. It's the most hydrating mask we have, and it's soothing, calming, refreshing. The skin looks absolutely wonderful after. So this is on usually 15 minutes. You relax with this mask.
Gina lets me sleep at that time.
This is removed very easily. It's, you know, I activate this with water to put on the face. And after you are ready, I prepare the skin, you know, to get the salon out. I use some protective moisturizer. It can be enzyme protective moisturizer.
Or the ginseng I love.
Or ginseng I like very much. So it's up to the season. In the winter I'm using protective creams. In the summer I'm using something lighter like a buttermilk moisturizer for you. Around the eyes, I'm using always an eye cream for you, which is, in the winter, I'm using chamomile eye cream, which is richer.
See how complicated it is?
Which is richer, and it's absolutely great for your skin. You have no wrinkle. And in the summer, I'm using this special eye cream V, which is a little lighter. If the skin is a little shiny after finishing this, I'm using a spray, a touch of spray, aloe lotion, the extract of rose water, and you are ready to go.
So Barbara, do you see how many things go on the skin?
Oh, it sounds wonderful, though. I wish Gina were here.
Oh, well, when you come to New York, you must have a little visit with her.
Believe me, I most
And remember,
definitely will.
the other most important thing of all, I think, even without all of these things, is no drinking, no smoking, lots of exercise, and as much sleep, which I don't get at all. My skin would be 100 times better if I at least got some good sleep every now and then. But it's that exercise and that really good diet that helps a lot.
You're right, Martha.
Well, thanks a lot, Barbara, for calling. And
Thank you
call again with another question.
Thank you for taking my question.
Gina, you are so great, and thank you for explaining this whole very complicated process.
It's a pleasure for me.
Yeah. Well, as you can see, good skin care and taking care of your skin is kind of complicated, but good skin is not unattainable. Keep your thoughtful questions coming to Ask Martha. We're happy to answer them.